Hi friends, this video shows how to connect PS5 to Wi-Fi network. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings from top right corner. Go to network. Under network here we can see connection status. Then settings. Go to settings. Under settings select setup internet connection. So here we can see list of Wi-Fi network. So these are the Wi-Fi networks available in my area. So this is the name of Wi-Fi router which I am using, Wi-Fi 2024. Select it. Then here I need to enter Wi-Fi password. Okay, I have entered Wi-Fi password. If you want to see that password which entered, you can use that hide password. Just disable this option, so that way we can see that password. Then select done. Select OK. See, now it's trying to connect to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Okay, connected. Done. So this way we can connect PS5 to Wi-Fi network. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.